Are you using a banner on your website or your landing page to convey important information that you wouldn't want your visitor to miss? Something like 10% off your first order or sign up for our newsletter. If you are, then I would highly suggest including this information elsewhere in the visitor's conversion flow. Why? It's something called banner blindness. We've been conditioned to essentially ignore banners that look like ads. We've seen them so frequently that it's just a filter that our minds have applied. This happens when you put the banner, so the little colored bar, close to the top of the page. But it can also happen if you're reading through some content and you see something that looks like it might be an ad. I recently ran a test where we had information within the banner, and I duplicated that information just beneath the buy button and saw a pretty solid increase in conversion rate. It's because people were missing that information at the top. Just because you're putting it at the top of the page doesn't mean they're going to see it. There are other factors at work here. So check that out. Let me know if it helps, and click through to the next video to see more information on increasing your conversion rate on your landing page and websites.